Advent of Code, day 19. Onsen, interesting. Signs are possible. Okay, so we've got little patterns. Okay. Okay, so this is regex. Okay. So I want um do 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 do. I guess it is actually going to be a pattern. Um, uh, B is not defined. Why not? Oh. Not the right answer. Okay. So, so you're saying 7. 6 are. Okay. Wait. Sorry. It's supposed to be that, actually. Now you're saying 8. Why are you matching then? Okay. Yeah. So why is that one matching? You. Wait a moment. That was read on match for the whole thing. Is it full? It's full match, of course. That was dumb. Now you'll say 6. Okay. I don't use the regex library enough. Wow, you're... Huh. That's interesting. GG, do we have a... Nope. I'm a little surprised. How many unique characters do we have here? Uh, five characters total. It isn't much. That is really interesting. Okay, okay. Well, while this is running over here, I guess what we're gonna do then... I really thought this was gonna be regex. And let's do that. I guess actually that might be part of it. Um, um, don't do that. Sure. Yep. Yeah, because regex failed me. Just give them every possible. Okay. You die. Just die. Okay. That's really annoying. This at least will be easy. B is not, because I deleted too much. 16, is that correct? Yes, good. Yeah, that was bad. That was bad. Okay. Um, I definitely lost time trying to use regex in the first part. I'm honestly very surprised that regex choked there. I guess the re.compile was not able to efficiently compile the pattern I assembled. That's kind of disappointing. I would have expected better from Python. Anyway, yeah. So disappointing performance aside, let's talk about this problem. So we have a whole bunch of towel patterns, and overall, what were these wall designs? Um, match the mark design. Somewhere we're making a design. I don't even know where we're making this design. But yeah, we're just taking these different towel patterns and lining them up to make these designs. Now, I expected that regex was going to be very useful here, where we just give all the possibilities. We say pick as many as you need, and then regex will then go and do the matching for me. Uh, Normally, that would do just fine, but here regex didn't like to do it. So, oh, did I close the wrong version? Interesting. Oh, no, sorry, that's the old part one. Okay, that's why I'm confused. Yeah, so get rid of that. That one didn't work. So yeah, instead of regex in that version, which just didn't work, we can just use a recursive greedy matching function. Just take the remaining design, take all the prefixes, all the towels that we can start this remaining design with, and just check does does that the remaining design actually start with that towel. If so, we can take that towel off and check everything else, the remaining part of the design. Can we find a match for that? Let's break this into a simple recursion problem. Now we don't want to, of course, do this just willy-nilly. We want to keep remember or keep track of our answers because some of these patterns are kind of long. And so the tree, if we were to do this with no caching at all, would take a while to search and to check. So yeah, just functools.cache, and we get our answer pretty quickly. Part two here, instead of just checking if it's possible to be matched, counting the number of matches is extremely similar. Uh, the only difference is instead of just checking for a match, we need to count how many matches we have. So yeah, instead of just stopping at the first prefix that matches, we'll just sum up how many ways that prefix could be matched. And both in part one and part two, if there's nothing left, we know it's matched. Part two, there's a single match because there's only one way for an empty design to be matched, and that's don't put any towels in. So yeah, overall, very simple problem. I got led astray by trying to be clever and use regex, which is a little sad, but I still have tomorrow and 5 days after that to try and get leaderboard points. This year has not been my year for getting leaderboard points. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to pull that out some point in the remaining 6 days. I guess one other thought, actually, this does feel a little easy for day 19. We've actually had some real zingers before on day 19. Let's see if I can find some of the highlights. Like 2019, this was a bit of a zinger. I just remember this was a zinger. I'm not even going to talk about what went into that. Day 19 for last year. I don't remember this problem at a glance. I guess an easier way, actually. We look at the leaderboard. for day 19 for last year. Yeah, see, half an hour. We're definitely not half an hour here. For 2020, or rather 2019, I know day 19 was a singer. Took me, I think, was it 19? I'm thinking 22. Um, yeah, I'm just really surprised that it was this easy a problem. But anyway, I should stop rambling about that and get to cleaning up my solution and publishing this video. So, yep, I will be back tomorrow, aiming for the leaderboard.